here with the third little half row puff, my little Ellie, and I'm just gonna show you guys how we do her hair because you can't really do much with it. There's hardly any there. So what I usually do is I spray it down with my water, aloe juice, and grapeseed oil. I like to spray it all down. Get a nice... Oh, is it cold? Oh no. Spray it all down, and then I use my comb, my wide tooth comb, and I just kind of comb out any little tangles she might have, because she is a baby, so you know she's got some tangles. Playing all day. And then I like to put in my, so after I'm done combing it, I like to put in some conditioner, like leave-in conditioner or something like that. Right now I'm using the Shea Moisture Low Porosity line because I think... Okay, get your Play-Doh. Okay, alright, sit down. There you go. So I just kind of run my fingers through it, and then I pull my fingers through her curls. Since she doesn't have that much hair, but this helps keep it moisturized, and I think since I've been using the water mixture I have with the water, aloe, and grapeseed, her hair has actually been growing a little bit faster. I know she doesn't have much right here, but this is a lot more than what it was a month ago, and that's when I started using that mixture. So yeah, that's about it. That's all I do with her. I kind of let her be free right now. I don't want to put any... Oh, she said bye-bye, guys. Well, yeah, that's what I do for her. She doesn't have much hair. Oh, okay. Oh, you want a ponytail? Okay, sit down. Let's say bye. And I don't like to put rubber bands or anything in her hair right now because it's so new and she doesn't have that much of it. So that's what I do. Just let her curls be crazy and out for right now. So you want to say bye?
Bye!
Yeah, say thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back soon. Bye.